Student, pay attention. We are starting with the new lesson, arithmetic progression. In that first, we will learn what is a sequence, because arithmetic progression is nothing but one type of sequence. So what is sequence? A set of numbers. A set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in definite order, where the numbers are arranged in definite order is called sequence. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, dash, dash. Second example, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, which are the sequence of squares. Next example, 1, 3, 9, 27. 1 into 3, 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, all are in the multiple of 3, next take terms. And 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. These are different type of sequence. From that we have to learn only this last type of sequence, where difference is the same. 1 and 3, 4, 4 and 3, 7, 7 and 3, 10, 10 and 3, 13. So if we do T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, T5 minus T4, it is one and the same. T1, T2 are called terms. Sequence is denoted as Tn, as in curly bracket Tn, where Tn is nth term of the sequence. What is the meaning? T1 is first term, T2 is second, T3, T4, like that. It is a sequence. Is a sequence. It is general language of writing the sequence. T1 means first term, second term. Now after learning this, we are not to learn detail about sequence. We have to learn only and only about arithmetic progression, because everything will come about arithmetic progression. Then sequence in which T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, T of n plus 1 minus T of n plus 1 term from that previous term subtracted. If that difference is same, then it is called sequence with common difference. And sequence is with common difference D, then it is called arithmetic progression. So what is arithmetic progression? Now we are going to write definition of arithmetic progression. It is also of course a sequence. In the given sequence, if the difference between consecutive terms consecutive terms, consecutive means which come one after another, consecutive terms. That means what? Tn plus 1 minus Tn. From the next term, previous term should be subtracted. It's constant, it's same every time. Then the sequence is called arithmetic progression. Short form of arithmetic progression is AP, arithmetic progression. The difference, common difference D, common difference is called D. It's denoted as D. If A is the first term and D is common difference, A is first term and D is common difference, then the AP is, arithmetic progression is, first term A, next term A plus D, next term A plus D will be A plus 2D, next will be A plus 3D, and so on. This is first term only A, second term is A plus 1D, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D. The nth term Tn is, therefore nth term of that sequence denoted by T suffix n is A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1. How? Look here. First term is only A. Second term is A plus 1D. Third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term is A plus 3D. Fifth term will come A plus 4D. 10th term will come A plus 9D. So n term will come A plus n minus 1 into D. This is one of the most important formula also. D is called common difference, A is called first term, and n term is denoted by A plus n minus 1 into D, where n is the term number. Where n is the term number. Now pay attention, 3.1 first question. Which of the following sequences are AP? Means all sequences are given, some of them are AP, some of them are not. And if it is AP, then only find common difference. Of course, common difference exists only if it is AP. First, 2, 4, 6, 8. Sometimes they have given 5 terms, sometimes they have given 4 terms. So we have to find all possible differences, T1, T2, T3, T4. So we can find T2 minus T1, we can find T3 minus T2, we can find T4 minus T3. If all are the same, then we have to write it has common difference and therefore it is AP. Otherwise, no common difference, it is not AP. What is T1? 2. What is T2? 4. What is T3? 6. What is T4? 8. And many other in that sequence, in that order. So whatever is possible, find out. Difference, next minus previous. T2 minus T1 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. T3 minus T2 equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. T4 minus T3 equal to 8 minus 6 equal to 2. What it means? Difference is same for all the 2 consecutive terms. given consecutive terms. From this difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the sequence is AP. AP means what? Arithmetic progression. And common difference D is equal to 2. Common difference is asked. If it is AP, then write common difference what it is. Common difference generally denoted by D. So what is D in this case? Equal to 2. These are the two questions. Is it AP? If common difference is not coming same, then you have to write the difference is not common, therefore it is not AP. If it is not AP, then common difference cannot be written. So this is the first sum from first sub question from first question. Neatly observe. Now look at the second sub question. Sequence contains 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 3, etc. etc. Start finding. First write what is T1, T2, etc. T1 equal to 2, first term. T1 has value 2. T2 equal to 5 upon 2. T3 equal to 3. T4 equal to 7 by 3 and so on. Then find T2 minus T1. 5 by 2 minus 2. 2 means everyone know 2 upon 1. Then product 2 into 1, denominator is LCM, and product is LCM, then we have to do cross. First numerator with second denominator. 5 ones are 5 minus 2 twos are 4. So what is T2 minus T1? 1 by 2. After finding T2 minus T1, next line you may write, I am writing it here, T3 minus T2. 3 minus 5 by 2. 3 means 3 by 1. 3 twos are 6 minus 5 ones are 5 upon 1 twos are 2. So it is also 1 by 2. It looks like common difference T3 minus T2. But only 2 are not sufficient. We have to continue all possible given things. So what is next? T4 minus T3. Now neatly observe. T4 minus T3. 7 by 3 minus 3. 7 by 3 minus 3. So what it is? 3 has denominator 1, 3 into 1, 3 is the LCM. 7 ones are 7, minus 3 threes are 9. It is coming minus 2 upon 3. Whether common difference is there, difference is same everywhere. Here it is half, here it is half, it look like yes, but no, next is different. So Tn plus 1 minus Tn is not constant. The difference between consecutive term is not constant. Difference between consecutive term is not constant. The difference between consecutive terms, difference between consecutive terms. Consecutive means which come one after another, next minus previous, is not constant, not same. Therefore, the sequence is not AP. The sequence is not AP, not arithmetic progression, not constant. Difference between consecutive and non-constant, therefore it is not AP, not arithmetic progression. It was the question number 2. Neatly write it. By mistake 1 was written there, make it 2. Second sub question. Now pay attention. The third sub question, given 4 terms are minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and so on. So what is T1? Minus 10. What is T2? Minus 6. What is T3? Minus 2. What is T4? 2. It contains plus minus, but it is very easy because there is no fraction, addition subtraction of integers. So what to find first? T2 minus T1, next term minus previous term. Need to write T2 right first. Minus, this is the minus from the formula in T2 minus T1, and T1 value itself is minus 10. So when such a minus are coming together, write in a bracket. So it will be minus 6, minus will be plus 10, and minus 6 plus 10 will be positive 4. When sign is different in addition subtraction, take the difference and put the sign of bigger number. Similarly, T3 minus T2. Minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 plus 6. That is also 4. T4 minus T3. 2. T4 minus this minus sign. T3 value is minus 2. 2 minus 2. 2 plus 2. That is also 4. It is same. What we observe? Common difference is same, difference is common, same. Then we have to write. Therefore, the difference between consecutive terms which are coming one after another, consecutive terms, is a constant, is same. Therefore, the sequence is AP, means arithmetic progression. And it is asked if it is AP, then write common difference. We have obtained it. Once again we have to write it. And common difference D is 4. It is AP and common difference is 4. Neatly write it. Now in this fourth sub question, only 3 terms are given. If 3 terms are given, we have to find it 2 times. If 4 are given, we have to find it 3 times. If 5 are given, we have to find it 4 times. And if it is coming same every time, then it is common difference. Means it is AP. And every time common difference is not coming same, then it is not AP. What is T1? 0.3, T2 0.33, T3 0.333. Then find T2 minus T1. 0.33 minus 0.3. Do you know when it is 2 decimal, it should also be written up to 2 decimal. 0.3 means only 30. So if we take difference, second decimal minus second decimal 3, first decimal 3 minus 3, 0, and it is 0. So what is the difference here? 0.03. 0.03. T3 minus T2, 0.333 minus 0.33. 0.33, as it is 3 decimal, can be written as 330. 0.33 means only 330. Third decimal 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 0, 3. Second decimal 3 minus 3, 0. First decimal 3 minus 3, 0. Now are they equal? It is 0.03 means 3 upon 100. It is 0.003 means it is 3 upon 1000. It is second decimal 3. It is third decimal 3. So it is not the same. Therefore, it is not the same. It is not the same. Therefore, T2 minus T1 not equal to T3 minus T2. Means for your understanding, it look like equal, therefore I have separately written it. And therefore, difference between consecutive terms is not constant. The difference between consecutive terms is not constant. And if it is not constant, difference is not constant, therefore sequence is not AP. The sequence is not AP. And if it is not AP, common difference does not exist. The sequence is not AP, not arithmetic progression sequence. Neatly complete it. Now the fifth sub question, T1 is given 0 of the sequence, T2 is minus 4, T3 is minus 8, and T4 is minus 12. As there are 4 terms, we have to do it for 3 times. T2 minus T1. Minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4. Remember, sometimes common difference may come negative, may come fraction, may come integer, may come positive, may come 0 also. But if difference is same every time, then it is AP. T2 minus T1 you get minus 4. Now T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. Minus 8 minus minus 4, minus 8 minus minus 4, T3 minus T2, minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4, minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. T4 minus T3, minus 12 T4 is minus 12, this minus sign minus, and T3 is minus 8. Minus 12 minus of minus 8. So what it is? Minus 12 plus 8, minus 4. First difference comes minus 4. In second case also consecutive term difference comes minus 4. Every time it is the same. It may be negative, but it is same every time. Therefore, the difference between consecutive term is constant. Is constant. Is constant. Therefore, the sequence is AP. Means sequence is an arithmetic progression and common difference is every time common difference between consecutive term is same. It is common every time, and common difference D is equal to minus 4. Common difference D is equal to minus 4. Neatly write it. For today, last sub question and very small. Minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5. It is one and the same. T1 is minus 1 by 5, T2 is minus 1 by 5, T3 also the same. And only 3 terms are given, so we have to find it 2 times difference. T2 minus T1 minus 1 by 5 minus of minus 1 by 5, that is minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, 0. As I said, sometimes common difference may come 0. In first case, difference comes 0. In second case, what happens? We have to check. If it comes same, then we have to write it is AP. Again same numbers, so difference is 0 automatically. Means when same terms are repeated, it is also AP with common difference 0. Remember this. Remember this. Therefore, the difference between consecutive term is constant. The difference between consecutive terms is constant. If it is constant, then we are telling that it is AP. Therefore, the sequence is AP. And common difference D is equal to 0. Write it.